Hey, it's Sean, and welcome to this video on how to make money by creating motivational YouTube shorts and reels with ChatGPT. If you're looking to make money on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT, an AI tool, to generate ideas and content for your videos. You can use InVideo, a video editing software, to create professional looking videos quickly and easily using their templates. But first, let's talk about why creating motivational YouTube shorts and reels can be such a lucrative opportunity. According to Social Blade, some channels are making up to $11,000 a month or over six figures a year from these type of videos. And the best part is you don't need any special equipment or skills to get started. With ChatGPT and InVideo, you can create high quality videos in a matter of hours, not days. So what is ChatGPT? It's an AI tool that can generate ideas and content for your videos. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and answer a few questions about the type of content you want to create. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 30 motivational topics for a YouTube short. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of topics that have been doing well and that people are interested in. This is important because you want to create content that people want to watch. Next, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 3 inspiring quotes for each of these topics. Again, within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of quotes that you can use in your videos. You only need to choose one quote per short. So this will give you enough content for 90 days worth of videos. And the best part is this process only takes a few minutes to complete. It's a huge time saver compared to coming up with ideas and content on your own. Now that you have your topics and your quotes, it's time to create your videos. This is where InVideo comes in. InVideo is a video editing software that offers built-in templates for creating videos quickly and easily. Simply select a template that fits your style and start customizing it with your own content. For example, you can search for a motivational video template and choose one that you like. Then you can copy and paste the quotes that you want to use from your ChatGPT list into that template. And video will automatically add the quote to the template and format to fit the design. You can also add your own videos and images to the template if you like, or use the one that comes with their template. Once you've customized the template to your liking, you can export the video and upload it to YouTube. You can also schedule the video to be released at a specific time so you don't have to worry about uploading a new video every day. YouTube will automatically release the video at the time that you set and place ads in between your shorts when people are watching. So that's how you can start earning money from your videos. But what about Facebook Reels? As of right now, yes, you can make money. There's a bonus program that pays up to $35,000 a month to create short form videos that are less than 60 seconds. So you can use the same process that we just outlined for YouTube Shorts and apply it to Facebook Reels as well. The key is to create content that people want to watch and to use ChatGPT and video to make the process faster and easier. There's been talk about Facebook not paying for Reels anymore, but as of yet, that hasn't changed. So get in while they're getting good, right? In summary, creating motivational YouTube shorts and reels could be a great way to make money online. With ChatGPT and video, you can generate ideas and content quickly. I do this myself. You can check my channel and see the ones that I have created using ChatGPT and also in video. It streamlines the process. I can make videos very quickly within most of the time within 5 to 10 minutes. Just basically following the process that I just outlined for you. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe to find new ways to make money online passively using AI and ChatGPT and start earning money daily. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.